Assalamu alaikum. This is Fahad Siddiqui, and I look after the secured lending business at JS Bank. Under secured lending, we have home loans, solar financing, agri financing, and auto financing as well. I've been a career banker for good 20 years now, out of which 16 years was spent in geographies like Asia, Middle East, and North America. And I just recently relocated back to Pakistan last year and joined JS Bank, and it has now been a 12-month journey with JS. Thank you. JS Ghar Apna product is one of the top products out there in the market. For a small and medium-sized bank like ours, we remain the top conventional home loan providing bank in Pakistan. मेरा पाकिस्तान मेरा घर स्कीम जो है जो स्टेट बैंक ने डिज़ाइन की थी, ये बेसिकली 3 कैटेगरीज और रादर 3 टियर्स के अंदर इसकी डिवीज़न थी इनिशियली जब ये प्रोग्राम लॉन्च हुआ था। अभी रिसेंटली स्टेट बैंक ने कुछ चेंजेस किए, इसमें एक टियर 0 भी डाल दिया है जो कि स्पेसिफिकली फोकस्ड है माइक्रो फाइनेंस बैंक्स के लिए। बाकी 3 टियर्स टियर 1, टियर 2, टियर 3 जो है वो कमर्शियल बैंक्स इसमें लेंड कर रहे हैं एंड यूजर्स के लिए। टियर 1 इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉर NAFTA रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स। टियर 2 एंड 3 इज नॉन NAFTA रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स जिसमें JS बैंक की सबसे ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है। So far in the past few months, we've seen a massive traction in terms of our numbers on this one. To the tune of कि हम टियर 2 और टियर 3 के अंदर भी 500 मिलियन से ज़्यादा डिसबर्स ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, which equates to around 115 units. Government markup subsidy scheme, which was recently launched by State Bank of Pakistan, backed up by the government of Pakistan, is a brilliant initiative, particularly for the lower and middle income strata of our society. ये वाली स्कीम is famously known as मेरा पाकिस्तान मेरा घर as well. इसकी वजह से जो है वो हमारे citizens of our basically country can become proud home owners of their respective properties. जो लोग पहले किराए के घर में जो रेंट देते थे, they can actually pay a minimal down payment and they can buy a property at very subsidized rates. So for me, this is a brilliant step. At JS Bank, we remain fully committed to grow the scheme and make the scheme a resounding success. Pakistani mortgage market is relatively small. An estimate conducted recently suggests that our housing market is 0.3% of our GDP, which is as compared to our neighboring countries. Bangladesh is at 3%. India is at 11%, and the South Asian region का जो average है वो around 3 to 4% का है. So as compared to our neighboring countries and in the region, we remain very, very small. So at JS Bank, we believe in prudent and responsible lending. Anybody who falls under the category of being either a salaried employee, self-employed or professional can apply for a loan as long as their debt burden ratios are aligned to our internal policies and also to the prudential regulations that are governed by State Bank of Pakistan. Of course, non-salaried people can apply for loans. In fact, जो गवर्नमेंट मार्कअप सब्सिडी स्कीम है इसमें तो हम लोग ने जो इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर है पाकिस्तान इकोनॉमी का उसके लिए स्टेट बैंक ने ख़ास तौर पे हमें गाइडलाइंस दी हैं सारे बैंक्स को कि वी नीड टू अडॉप्ट देम ताकि हम उस एक इनकम सेगमेंट को भी टारगेट कर सकें. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर कैश पे सैलरी जो इनफॉर्मल इकोनॉमी होती है तो वी डू हैव प्रोविजंस फॉर दोज एज वेल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ मैसिव सेगमेंट. we've developed a particular niche in the self-employed business professional segment जहाँ पर हम लोग इनकम असेस करते हैं थ्रू इनकम एस्टिमेशन और प्रॉक्सी मेथड्स एंड आई गेस दैट बेसिकली इज अ फेयर असेसमेंट ऑफ रिस्पेक्टिव इनकम्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट व्हिच इज नॉन सैलरी. लेकिन देयर आर अ फ्यू चैलेंजेस, लेकिन टू नेम अ फ्यू, particularly for the banks, lack of foreclosure and legal recourse of a customer who went in default has remained a single biggest challenge to lend in this space aggressively. However, as recent as last year, Government of Pakistan and our judiciary has taken some good steps for the foreclosure process, which has given banks some more comfort to lend in this space. However, one should also acknowledge that there is some more work to be done in this space, which the State Bank of Pakistan, Government of Pakistan, along with our judiciary and banks collectively are trying to resolve. तो एक तो हो गया ये चैलेंज। दूसरा जो एक बड़ा चैलेंज है, पर्टिकुलरली इन टियर 1 सिटीज़ जो कि KLI हो गई, कराची, लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद, अफोर्डेबिलिटी ऑफ हाउसिंग इज़ अ चैलेंज, जहाँ पर मिडिल इनकम अर्नर्स या मिडिल इनकम जो हमारा सेगमेंट है, बाइंग अ प्रॉपर्टी एंड आइडेंटिफाइंग अ प्रॉपर्टी इज़ अ चैलेंज. However, with the introduction of this government markup subsidy scheme, affordable housing is now becoming a reality, जिसकी वजह से काफ़ी improvements आई हैं, and we see that there will be clear progress in this regard going forward as well. Of course, it can be made easier. देखिए जी, home buying and obtaining a finance against the purchase is a complex and a lengthy process. Banks are taking actions to actually simplify the process. In fact, more importantly, State Bank ने बड़ा emphasis किया है to simplify this process, particularly on GMSS. उन्होंने जो है application forms भी simplify किए हैं. At JS Bank, all our decisions are revolving around customer centricity and providing superior client experience to our valued customers, of course, without compromising on any operational risk. हमारी एक जर्नी है जो कि हम ऑटोमेट कर रहे हैं. We are marching towards digitizing the end-to-end journey for our customers, जिसमें हमारी efficiencies improve होंगी और turnaround time जो है उस पर बड़ा keen emphasis है कि customers को जल्दी decision दिया जाए on their loan application. Housing finance is a specialized product and requires expertise. I can safely say that JS Bank has one of the most experienced, well-trained and well-versed home loan advisors out there in the market who advise clients right up front कि जी documentation की क्या requirement होती है, because that remains the single biggest piece before we underwrite applications. A recent एक industry average State Bank ने हमारे साथ share किया है, particularly on the government markup subsidy scheme. JS बैंक की जो इंडस्ट्री एवरेज के हिसाब से हमारी लॉगिन टू अप्रूवल रेशियोज आर वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट आउट देयर इन द मार्केट, विच एसेंशियली इज अ टेस्टिमनी दैट हमारे एडवाइजर्स सही तरीके से क्लाइंट्स को पिच करते हैं, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन कलेक्शन बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से होती है. इसी वजह से हमारे अप्रूवल रेशियोज ऑन गवर्नमेंट मार्कअप सब्सिडी स्कीम आर वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट आउट देयर इन द मार्केट. Our vision is well aligned to the vision of State Bank of Pakistan and Government of Pakistan, which is to promote housing finance across the nation. Our ambitions are very clear, which is to grow in this space and be a valuable contributor towards the overall economy of Pakistan. The ambition also remains to actually maintain a prudent, profitable and a clean portfolio of clients. Zameen.com and JS Bank go a long way back, and the great thing about this relationship is year on year we are further strengthening our relationship. Very recently we renewed our partnership with JS Bank. We've included some other products like solar homes भी उस contract के अंदर अब आ गया है. It's a very strong bond between two industry leaders in their own spaces. And we continue to look forward to have a long and mutually beneficial relationship with Zameen.com, and JS Bank will continue to support and work with Zameen.com to promote the housing finance space in Pakistan.